You got any ideas?
I have a great idea.
Pitch it to me. Pitch it to me.
Hey, I got an idea.
Well, let's hear it.
Good morning. I am George Flanigan. My invention is a computer-controlled car seat restraint that is going to replace airbags. This restraint is for a 400-pound man or a 5-pound baby. How does it work? You sit down on a car seat and bulk up a net instead of a 2.5-inch wide seatbelt. The net covers your entire abdomen. With a net, you never leave your car seat. No more flying babies. The computer is turned on when you buckle up. After a car crash, the computer controls your body speed as you are pressed against the net. Almost 1 million people are killed in auto accidents every year, and millions more are injured. We can cut that number by 90%. Airbags, over 100 million, are now being recalled. Airbags, plastic and metal parts explode in your face at 100 miles an hour, at 200 miles an hour. Self-driving cars, billions are being spent because they were supposed to be safer. One man has already been killed. Don't forget that.
Make or break an inventor. Be our shark and vote. Be bold and submit your product. What the heck? You could only make millions.